That's right, folks. In California, we don't just love avocados, we celebrate them. Every year, towns across the Golden State host avocado festivals, turning into joyous fiestas of all things avocado. Imagine booths overflowing with creamy guacamole, avocado ice cream, and even avocado-infused honey. There are avocado-themed games, cooking competitions, and enough avocado toast to feed a small army. It's enough to make any avocado lover's heart sing. Festival enthusiast. These festivals aren't just about fun and games, though. They're a testament to California's deep-rooted love affair with this versatile fruit, a love story that's as rich and flavorful as a perfectly ripe avocado. So grab a spoon and let's dive into the wonderful world of California avocados. Let's talk about the classics. First up, we have guacamole, the undisputed king of avocado dishes. Creamy, tangy, and bursting with flavor, it's the perfect dip for any occasion. Whether you like it chunky or smooth, spicy or mild, there's a guacamole recipe out there for everyone. Chef. Next, we have avocado toast, the millennial breakfast staple that took the world by storm. Simply mash some avocado onto a slice of toasted bread, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and voila! You've got yourself a quick, easy, and surprisingly satisfying meal. But wait, there's more. Don't forget about avocado ice cream, a surprisingly delicious treat that's both creamy and refreshing. It's the perfect way to cool down on a hot California day. Did you know that avocados are actually fruits, not vegetables? That's right. These green gems are technically single-seeded berries. Farmer. And speaking of seeds, did you know that an avocado seed can take up to 10 years to grow into a tree that produces fruit? Talk about patience. Here's another fun fact. Avocados are a good source of healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. In fact, they contain more potassium than a banana. So, next time you're craving a healthy snack, reach for an avocado. Farmer. And here's a quirky story for you. In ancient Aztec culture, avocados were considered a symbol of love and fertility. They were even believed to have aphrodisiac properties. Section 4. From orchards to our tables, the avocado story.
The avocado's journey in California began in the late 19th century. Brought over from Mexico, these green gems found a happy home in the state's sunny climate and fertile soil. Today, California is the leading producer of avocados in the United States, with vast orchards stretching across the southern part of the state.
Growing avocados is no easy feat. It requires careful cultivation, from irrigation and pruning to pest control and harvesting. But the hard work pays off when you bite into a perfectly ripe California avocado. Its creamy texture and rich flavor a testament to the dedication of our avocado farmers.
California's avocado industry is a vital part of the state's agricultural landscape, providing jobs and contributing significantly to the economy. So every time you enjoy an avocado, remember that you're savoring the fruits of their labor.
Section 5. Beyond the ordinary, avocado adventures in flavor.
While guacamole and avocado toast might be the usual suspects, California's culinary scene is bursting with creativity when it comes to this versatile fruit. Get ready for your avocado horizons to expand.
How about a refreshing avocado smoothie on a hot day? Blended with fruits like mango or pineapple, it's a healthy and delicious way to cool down. Or maybe you're in the mood for something more adventurous. Then avocado fries are a must-try. Crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, they're the perfect appetizer or snack.
And for the sushi lovers out there, avocado has become a staple ingredient in rolls and sashimi. Its buttery texture and subtle flavor complement the delicate flavors of the fish perfectly.
Section 6. California Sunshine. The secret to perfect avocados.
Ever wonder why California avocados are so darn good? Well, it's all about the sunshine. California's Mediterranean climate, with its warm, dry summers and mild, wet winters, is ideal for avocado cultivation. But it's not just the weather.
The state's diverse topography, with its rolling hills and coastal plains, provides a range of microclimates. each perfectly suited to different avocado varieties. From the popular Hass avocado to the lesser-known but equally delicious bacon and fuerte varieties, California has it all.
And then there's the soil. California's rich, well-drained soil provides the perfect environment for avocado trees to thrive, resulting in fruits that are bursting with flavor and nutrients.
Section 7. Festival Fun, Celebrating the Green Gold.
Remember those avocado festivals we talked about earlier? They're more than just a testament to California's love for avocados. They're a celebration of the fruit's cultural and economic significance, bringing communities together and showcasing the best of what the avocado industry has to offer.
From the Carpinteria Avocado Festival, a grand celebration with parades and avocado-themed games, to the smaller, more intimate Fallbrook Avocado Festival, where you can sample avocado fudge and avocado beer. There's a festival for every taste and interest.
These festivals are a fantastic way to learn about the avocado industry, connect with local farmers, and sample innovative avocado creations. Plus, it's a whole lot of fun.